Hey guys, in this video I am gonna show you 10 exercises that will fix 95% of your problems. These exercises are going to be a combination of cardio, strength and mobility movements that you can do anywhere, even if you're not able to go to the gym. If you have knee, ankle or foot pain, these exercises will help. If you're struggling with mobility, these exercises will help. If you want to improve your strength, these exercises will help. And if you want to burn some calories and improve your endurance, these exercises will also help. So let's get right into it. Exercise No. 1 is a plank. Make sure you're keeping your chest up and your core engaged throughout the movement. You can do this one for 10 to 15 reps. Grab a pair of dumbbells and stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Then raise the dumbbells up over your head and then lower them back down to your shoulders. You can do this one for 10 to 15 reps. Start in a push-up position with your forearms on the ground and then walk your feet out. So you in a straight line from your heels to your hips to your shoulders to your fingertips. Grab a pair of dumbbells and stand with your feet hip width apart. Then bend down and pick the weights up off the ground by pulling your hips forward and lifting your weights up. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and your knees bent. Then lift your shoulders and upper back off the ground and crunch your abs by bringing your elbow and knee together. Make sure you're keeping your hips pressed into the ground throughout the movement and then repeat on the other side. You can do this one for 10 to 15 reps on each side. Make sure you're keeping your back straight and then lower the weights back down to the ground and repeat for 10 to 15 reps. Hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds. Engaging your core and then lower yourself down onto your elbows and repeat for 10 to 15 reps. Exercise No. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, then drop into a squat position with your hands on the floor. Just remember to start slow and gradually build up your way up to being able to do 10 to 15 reps of each exercise. And if you're struggling with an injury, make sure you consult with your doctor or a physical therapist. Before starting any new exercise program, grab a pair of dumbbells and bend down with your back flat, then row the weights towards your chest and then lower them back down. You can do this one for 10 to 15 reps. Kick your feet back into a plank position and then jump your feet back to the squat position and stand up from the burpee. And pull yourself up until your chin is over the bar and then lower yourself back down. If you can't do a full pull-up, you can jump up and hang from the bar and work your way up to doing a full pull-up. Start in a standing position with your feet together. Then take a big step forward with one leg and drop your back knee down towards the ground. Obviously, you don't need me to show you how to do a push-up, but make sure you're doing it with proper form. Keep your body in a straight line, from your heels to your hips, to your shoulders, to your fingertips. And lower yourself down until your chest is just above the ground and then push back up. You can do this one for 10 to 15 reps as well. Keep your front knee above your ankle and then push into your toes to come back up to the starting position. You can do this one for 10 to 15 reps on each leg. You can do this one for 10 to 15 reps as well. Exercise No. 3 is a lunge. Exercise No. 4 is a push-up. Exercise No. 5 is a pull-up. Grab a pull-up bar with an overhand grip. Hang from the bar. Exercise No. 6 is a squat. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Then lower yourself down until your thighs are parallel to the ground and then stand back up. Exercise No. 7 is a deadlift. Exercise No. 8 is a shoulder press. Exercise No. 9 is a row. And exercise number 10 is a bicycle crunch. So there you have it. 10 exercises that will fix 95% of your problems.